read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In the class, we taught to the students number 17, how to count it, how to identify it, and how to write number 17. But the question is that at home, how could you make easier for your kid to identify, count, and write? So go outside. Bring 17 leaves, keep them on the table, and small 17 stones. You could take 10 bigger and 7 smaller. Okay, it's very easier to count. After counting, they will identify and write number 17. Also, you have to use our Pakistani currency, 10 rupee note and 7 coins. So, let's start. Count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. Now, here is 10 rupee note and 7 coins. 10 and 1, 11, 10 and 2, 12, 10 and 3, 13, 10 and 4, 14, 10 and 5, 15, 10 and 6, 16, 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 6, 16, 10 and 7, 17. Now, here are some stones. Let's count with me. First of all, we will count 10 big stones. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now smaller one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 7, 17. I am one more than 16. I am number 17. Now, here is number 17. Start from the dot, come straight down, it will make number 1. Start from the dot, make sleeping line, make slant line. It will make number 7. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 7, 17. 17 leaves, 17 stones, 17 rupees. Yes. Today, we learn how to count 17 objects, identify the number, and we try to write number 17. After that, short story. 17 oranges were on the table. They were bright and round. The table looked colorful with the oranges. Yummy and juicy, fresh oranges. I hope so. You enjoyed a lot and you will teach same like this at home. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.